This centre is about giving people a real experience of what it's like when there's a really severe incident, and for people to be immersed in that experience and to really understand what it feels like, and then giving them tools to understand what happened and what they can do differently to make sure that, well, we get everybody home safe.
Simulation of the exercise and the incident was incredibly powerful, and then the playing out of how that impacted on various people's lives and their experiences was really profound. I was also struck by the fact that although the incident focuses on a particular example of work around about offshore wind turbines, the lessons and the application of that to all aspects of the workforce are compelling. So I think it's a really astonishing experience, and I welcome the investment that SSE has made in this training.
It really demonstrates our level of commitment to getting people home safe, and that's not just the people we work with every day, employees and colleagues, that's also our contract partners from across all areas of the UK that we work with. So we've made an investment of £2.5 million into this centre, and we've created 60 local jobs for creatives and actors too, which gives the local economy a real boost.
I don't think anyone's ever been to a day like it. So I think at the start of the day, people don't know what to expect. And when we burst in at the start of the show, it can sometimes take a minute or two to people realise that they're actually part of the show. But I think as they get caught up in the show, people get involved and get really moved by it. And then in the afternoon when we work with them, we hear their sort of feedback on it. And it's also, we get really nice feedback from people saying they've never been anything like it, and it's made a real difference. To actually sit and watch 9 actors doing a play in front of them in real life situations, I think it does hit home.
I play the police officer, but also Paula Evans. So depending on who the other actors are playing the other parts, it can feel like a very different scene. So that keeps it really fresh and fun. And it's a really interesting day, meeting all the different participants that are coming in through SSE, but also the subcontractors. It's a huge wide range of people that you meet.
As SSE, we work with some brilliant companies, and our contract partners have absolutely got the same commitment to the really high standards in safety, health, environment as we do. And our intention is to work with them and get them through the centres in the same way. So we probably get about 12,000 people in total, some of which will be our contract partners. And yeah, we're just really excited to make that available to people we work with the most. And ultimately, they're part of making sure everybody gets home safe.